ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Sorkar Jylla Bleshong Yagalang Perkatkam Hakat Kondai Trip Naiwing Aja Arpulai Kalarai Ben Pynlong Limpung Ilekai Meghalaya Games Hanong Ba Tura West Garo Hills District. Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ukon raki sangma hakajing kran ba kila pathai kubor layat ho. Bahakani gajing lang layat hirya tai sani kumno ban pinbiang yaki jakasa jengkin dong lekai kajing pinbiang yaki bor pahara kajing pinbiang yaka boarding ka bam kedi bat kiwe kijing don kam. Shushu layat ho baka Sorkar kan sa syong biang yaka jingalang perkhat kam haka pratrik uno pra araja arpulai hatura haka bayadai baka jing Pynlong yakani ka limpung ilekai ka bahe haka Jylla.
For the upcoming Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Tura, Garo Hills, and hence there are many things to be prepared, including the location of the venues where the games will take place. Then after that, the accommodation, then other factors like security, water, electricity, food, materials, and so on and so forth. So we had a full review with the deputy commissioners online. And we are on track for the games, and we're hopeful that the games will go very well. There are challenges, of course, because Tura does not have the necessary infrastructure to support almost close to 4,000 people will be going, including the athletes and the officials. So, but we are working on it, and we are pretty sure that we should be able to make the necessary arrangements in time. And so this review meeting was for that, and further we have decided that on 8th of December we will be having the same review in Tura itself. So the Honorable Minister and myself will, along with the whole team, we will be going to Tura and having the review on the 8th of December.